Hello student, welcome to Illogical Math. Today we are going to study about the entire syllabus in a one question paper. So the section A having first question, select means we have to choose one option from the four option. So we have to find the cube of 3. So finding, just forget about the cube of 3 for finding any cube. Cube of any number, okay. For finding that, what we have to do, just multiply that number 3 times. So here we have to find cube of 3, so we have to multiply 3 by 3 times. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, so 3 3s are 9, 3 9 3s are 27. So first question answer is, and then factor of 4. So for finding the factor of 4, just do one thing. 4 can be written as 2 2s are 2 1s are, and 1 put here. So for finding the factor, just do this method, and then we can write 4 equals to 2 multiply 1. So factor of 4 is first is 2, and then comma 1, and then 2 multiply 2 is what? 4. So factor of 4 is 214. So the correct answer is D. Now go for third question. So third question is, we have to find the factor of x square minus a square. Okay, so this is x square minus a square. It is a very well known formula. So the formula of x square minus a square is what? X minus a, x plus a, x plus a. Okay, now fourth one. Fourth one is area of rectangle. So this is also a very well known formula. So area of rectangle is length multiply breadth. Okay, and fifth is area of square. So area of square is side multiply side. Okay, so side square. Okay, so this is area of square. And the sixth one, we have to find the square of 25. For finding square of any number, just multiply it 2 times. Okay, just for finding cube, what we did, we multiply 3 times. For finding square, just multiply that respective number 2 times. So for finding the square of 25, 25 multiply 25 is what? 625. Okay, so see, there is one very easy trick for finding square of a number who's having in unit place 5. So for finding the square of 5, just we have to write what is 5 square. 5 square is what? 25. So write directly 25. So after 1, what is the successor of 1? It is 2. So multiply 1 with 2, and what we get, 1 multiply 2, which is 2. So 2 to 5. Okay, so the answer is 15 square is 2 to 5. Similarly 25, for finding 25 square, what is the square of 5? 25. And what is the successor of 2? Is 3. So multiply 2 with 3 is 6 right here. So this is very simplest way. Either you can do usual multiplication, but for finding square of number which having 5 in unit place, go for this method. This will really works. Now seventh one. Seventh one is what? Seventh one, they have given that what is the HCF of 12x 3x. For finding the HCF, first take the fact 12x and write here 3x. Okay, so 12x, so for 12, finding the factor of 12 as usual by this method. So 12, 2 6 are 2 3s are 3 1s are 1 put here. So this way we have found out the factor of 12. What is it? 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 1. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply x. And the factor of 3x is, just do the multiplication, so 3 multiply x. Okay, so what is mean by HCF? Just go from reverse factor, find the factor and then go for common and then find the highest one. So what is common here? X, here also x, here 3, here 3. So HCF of 12x comma 3x is equal to 3x. So answer is A. So seventh answer is A, which is 3x. Now we will go for 8th question, which is that we have to find the LCM of the number. Okay, LCM of 2 and 4. We have to find the LCM of 2 and 4. So for finding the LCM of 2 and 4, just do as usual factorization. Okay, let me delete this. The 8th question is find the LCM of 2 and 4. Just draw these kind of a line and then go for the smallest natural number apart from 1. So which is 2. 2 ones are and 2 twos are 4. 2, 1 put here, 1 put here and 1. So LCM of 2 comma 4, which is equals to 4. Okay. So LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Okay, answer the following question. So, question number 2. What is the question number 2? What are natural number? So, question number 2, first question. So, natural number are those number which starts from 1. So, natural number are those number are those number which start from 1. Which start from 1, 1, 2, 3 and goes on. Now we will go for question number second. What are whole number? So whole number are those number which start from 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and goes on. Now third question, what are rational number? So rational number, any, write this A as capital. Okay, I have written this as small. So any P upon Q form such that Q not equals to 0, comma, Q not equals to 0, comma, P, comma, Q are integer and GCD of P, comma, Q equals to 1. So then these are said to be rational number. So now we will go for fourth question. So the fourth question is what is the value of a raised to m multiply a raised to n. So what are the this is one of the law of indices. When bases are same, powers are added. So write a1's n power m plus n. So now we will go for section B. So find what we have to do. We have to find the square of 99 without using usual multiplication. So see, for finding question number 3, so question number 3 is what we have to find the square. So 99 square we have to find. So we can write this 99 as 100 minus 1 square. So what is the formula of a minus b whole square? It is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so a square is 100 square, means we can write 100 square means for finding square just put 2 extra. Okay, for square, if there are 2 0 in square, it get double. Okay, if there is 1 0 in square, it will become 2 0. So here 2 0 are there, so total number of 0 in square will be 4. So 10,000 minus 2ab, a is what, 100, and b is 1, plus b square is means 1. So what we get, 1000, 10,000 minus 200 plus 1. So this is the after calculating this, you will get the answer. Okay, this is the way. So we don't have use any multiplication here, yet find out the square. So in examination, what I will do, just I'm going to change the numbers and you have to answer the question. Now you do this calculation by yourself. Question number 4. Write the formula for Pythagorean triplet. So Pythagorean triplet formula is, for Pythagorean triplet, a set of three numbers. A set of three numbers. A set of three numbers is a Pythagorean Pythagorean triplet if it satisfies if it uh, if it satisfies Pythagoras Gorus theorem. Okay, so means triplet means it's a three numbers which basically satisfy Pythagoras theorem. So the formula is given by the formula for Pythagorean triplet is given by 2n square, sorry, it's given by, wait, this is I, okay, this is I and this is P. So it's given by 2n n square minus 1 and n square plus 1. So these three pattern of numbers forms Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. So there is proof, but there is no need Question number 5. They have given that square root of 1000. So for finding the square root of 1000, just find out the factor as by usual method. So write down the 1000 and then 2 5s are 10 and then 0 as it is, this 0 also as it is, then 2 2s are 4, 1 is remain, 2 5s are 10 and here 0, then 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 1 is remain, so 10, so 2 5s are 10, then here it is 5, so directly it can be divided by 5, so 5 2s are 10, 2 remain 25, 5 5s are 5, 1s are 1 put here. So the square root of 1000 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. We can write this 1000 in prime factorization. 2 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. So we take for finding square root, we just take two means if 2 is appearing two times, we are taking just it once, so it happens in square, so 2 appears two times, just take it for once. Okay, and here also 5 appearing two times, just take it for once. Okay, and this 2 and 5, this 2 and this is 5, we will think about them later. Okay, so 2 multiply 5 is what, 10, and okay, so this 2 appearing only once, so take in in root, and this 5 appearing only once, so taken in root. Okay, so we can write 10 under root of 2 multiply 5, so 10 under root of 10. Okay, so the square root of 1000 is 10 under root 10. Okay, now we will go for sixth question. Sixth question is sixth question is sixth question is we have to find out the degree of the polynomial. Okay, so for finding out the degree, so 6, the question is that degree of the polynomial. So degree of polynomial means highest power of a variable in an algebraic expression. So degree degree of polynomial means degree of polynomial means is the highest power is the highest power is the highest power of variable in the algebraic expression, in the algebraic expression. So let's take the algebraic expression x square plus 2. So its degree is what? 2. Degree equals to 2. Now go for seventh question. So now what is the quadratic trinomial? What is mean by quadratic trinomial? So quadratic trinomial. A trinomial means expression which containing three terms. So a trinomial with degree 2 is called quadratic trinomial. Its syntax is given by x square plus ax plus b. Okay, so form quadratic trinomial form is x square plus ax plus b. Now we will go for geometrical interpretation. Okay, and first, for 8 question, application of the formula x plus a whole square. So the application of the formula x plus a square is that we can find the area of extended. First we can find area of extended rectangle. Second, we can find the multiplication of extended lengths. See, we can find area of extended rectangle as well as square. Okay, square. So these are the two application. And now go for question number 9. So question number 9 is evaluate. These are questions. Okay. So question number 9 is 93 multiply 107. Okay. So what we can do, write this 93 as 100 minus 7 and write 107 as 100 plus 7. So what we get? A plus B, A minus B. Okay, A minus B. These are the factor of what? A square minus B square. So A is here 10, means A is here 100 and B is 7. So we can write A as A here, A equals to 100 and B equals to what? 7. So we can write it as 100 square minus 7 square. So you find out the calculation of 100 square minus 7 square. So you will get the solution for question number 9. So now I will go for geometrical representation of x plus a and x plus b. Just first draw a square, okay, of side x. Okay, this is a square, okay, with side x. X, this is x, this is x. Named it as PQRS. Okay, extend this PQ to length A. Okay, and this is A, so PQ is extended by length A, and this name it as U, W, and this is A, and from here also every side is extended by A, so this is also A, this is A. Okay, so what is the area of PU? Let this V and this is T. What is the area of P? Area of PUVT. So what is this area? This area equals to addition of this area. This I am coloring with yellow. This area, and this area plus this area. Okay. So it is addition of all the area. So area of PQRS plus area of QURW plus area of RWVX. Okay, area of WVX plus area of STRX. Okay, so area of PUVT is what? PUVT is become a rectangle. Okay, have become this extended by see extend PS because it's written my mistake, extend this PS side to B length. Okay, so A and B are not equal, so this also becomes B, this also becomes B, this A, and this is A. Okay, so this becomes a rectangle. So rectangle means what? Length into breadth. So length is here what? X PU. Okay, here length is what? PU, and breadth is what? PB. PT equals to area of PQRS. So PQRS is what? Square. So square is means side square. So x square. Okay, plus area of QURW. So which is rectangle means length into breadth. X multiply A plus area of RWVX. RWVX is B into A plus STRX. Area of is X multiply A. Okay. So PU. So what is the length of PU? X plus A. X plus A. And PT is X plus B. So what we get? X square plus this is XA and this is XA. So 2 times XA plus BA. So this is XA, the area of STRX. STRX. Okay, so area will be here also X. Okay, here also X. So it is X multiply B. Okay, my mistake here, B will come. So it will become XA plus XB. Okay, so X square plus from this XA, X is common. So A plus B will remain inside the bracket plus BA. So this is the geometrical representation of X plus A multiply X plus B. Now we will go for question number 11. So what is question number 11? X square plus 5x plus 6. So what we have to do, it's a quadratic trinomial. So find the factor of 6. So 2 3s are 3, 1s are 1 put here. So we have to do what we have to do, find the factor of last term and split into two parts in such a way that we get the product of last term and addition is of middle term. So 6 is split into two terms, 2 and 3. So multiplication is 6 and addition is 2 plus 3 is 5, and we want 5x, so just add x as a suffix. So x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 equals to 0, not 0. Okay, so from this what we can take outside the bracket x, inside x plus 2 will remain. From this what we can take x 3 common, x plus 2 will remain. Okay, so this x plus 2 and what is remain? X plus 3. Okay, so the answer of the question is x plus 2, x plus 3. Now question number 12. So what we have to find the prime factorization. So find the factor as by usual method. So 2 ones are 1 put here, 16, 18, 2 nines are okay, 3 threes are 3, ones are 1 put here. So 36 can be written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 1. This is nothing but a prime factor because 2 is also prime, 3 is also prime. So what is mean by trinomial? Question number 14. Okay, so trinomial means algebraic expression, algebraic expression containing three terms.